Alright, I have redone the recording, so this one's new. Okay, so sorry for that. Hello everybody, and
How do
my YouTube channel. I am joined here today
I
by my boyfriend who just disappeared. He's out of here. And yes, my character in Roblox is a male, and yes, you can bite me. So we're playing the Tokyo Roblox Go version. My friend Ninja's actually playing this game. Shout out to Ninja43E. He's a nice guy. Not really, but still. I don't know how to spell Ninja. I'm stupid. Oh, it's on the side. What? So got a kind of small lag up in here. That's fine.
go?
Human, you are mine, human. This game isn't pretty. It's not exciting, but it's a good game, all in all.
I'm gonna go for now. I'll be back in a bit.
Yep.
5 minutes. Okay.
Okay. Anyway, so this game is kind of like Tokyo Ghoul, but not Tokyo Ghoul. It's a weird thing. So what you do is you get to select to be a monster or a somebody who kills monsters. I don't know, I'm not very smart. This is my first video, and for some reason I was caught. So I think it's going pretty great. First video. Technically this is the fourth take of the video. And yeah. Yeah, so my friend Ninja and I play this game a lot. He's a nice guy, and I'm gonna tell him to check out my YouTube channel. And me and him usually play this game at the library. I know, great place to play a game, right? What's up, buddy? No prob. And that's my little brother, Ethan. Uh... Oh, nothing. I'm just playing a game with a friend of mine. If I can find him. Hold on. So in this game, you can like, yeah, in this, in this game, you can like meet up with friends, and it's nice. It's a nice game. Anyway, like I was saying, this game you can you can choose monster or human. If you're a monster, you get a Kagune. Kagune is like, so mine is kind of like a swordfish out of the shoulder thing, and it's confusing at times. Oh look, there he is. This is Ninja. Technically roleplay named Jack. I don't think you can play this game, buddy. It's not, but yeah, so we're gonna play a more interesting game in a minute. I just needed to check something, so if you... Kinda, yeah. Anyway, like I was saying, me and Ninja are gonna play a more interesting game. And for anybody who stuck around this long, sorry for all the talking and stuff. If I do post this video, no one knows if I will or not. Hold on. Yep, I'm actually in the middle of recording. He's AFK. No, he left. Oof. The lag is unbelievable. So, if this recorder lets the game I want to... Oh my god, I can't talk. My apologies to anybody who stuck around this long. Like, my sincere apologies. I'm gonna play Flee the Facility. The Facility. I love this game. Like, if you do stick around and watch this, I recommend you play this game. Roblox is a completely free game. It's an amazing game where you can get more games inside a game. And, you know, you hang out with friends and stuff. All free. All free. Every single one of them. Alright. Okay, so like Flee the Facility, I love this game because I don't know if any of you have ever heard of Dead by Daylight. If not, definitely check that game out as well. If you have the Golden Pass on Xbox, you know, it's pretty cheap. And I played that game with my stepdad, and it's an amazing game. You get to choose by different monsters and stuff, and it's, you know, you can be the Hag, you can be Mike, or Leatherface too. There's a lot. The nurse, and then you have survivors with different skills and stuff. In this one, there's like there's only one type of survivor. There's no extended reach, but it's still a really cool game. Also, you can flop like a fish.
I'm back, baby.
Hey! Ah, gonna fall. I fell. Oh god. What am I? I didn't see. You are survivor. Hide from the beast. I don't know why they call them beast when they have a ginormous hammer. Just call them beaters. Okay, so I'm stuck crouched. Why am I stuck like this? Oh, well this is perfect. I am now stuck crouched. I don't like this.
So you're stuck crouch. I get that.
I don't like
I
this.
get that. You're stuck crouch.
I don't like this. I don't like. I'm stuck. I'm running away now. Let's hope I can get this video on air. That's, there's like minimum chance of me actually succeeding. And if I do end up getting this on air, or on YouTube, not on air. Air is for losers. No one likes air. If I do end up getting this up there, what is that? What is that constant blinking sound? Oh, hi. Don't mind me. I'm just casually crawling on the ground. Oh, okay, that works. Whatever. I'm fine with that. Join now. Join now. This is like, join now. I'm still stuck crouched. Why am I stuck? I'm stuck.
I am not gonna join.
Why am I doing this? I'm stuck. Why am I like this? What is life?
All I know is chill out, child.
No, I'm staying like this. Y'all can bite me. I don't have to do any work. I can be a creepy crawler. Y'all ain't got nothing on me. Oh, haha! I fixed myself. Yes, my bitch. Yes. No, I'm fine now. Oh, I like this place. This place is my place. If I can get out of this little trap of a corner. Let me just tell you. Let me just, no, let me just tell you. This right here. This map is my bitch. This is where I live. This is my time to shine. Okay, what's up? Go away, Kyle.
This picture is what I think right now. This picture is an embodiment of what I am thinking right now.
Hopefully, if it's something perverted, then you could have typed it not where my brother could see it.
And don't worry, it's not my usual.
Which I'm still very angry about what your usual is as it is.
Shut up.
Bubby, if you turn out like Kyle, I will shoot you on the spot.
Because I'm the scum of the earth.
Yes, you are. And no saying my name. I can... Oh my god, what did I just say? I don't even know if I can blur it out or not. You know what? Forget it. Whatever. My name is Rose. And my favorite color is ruby red.
Oh. Rose.
Why, oh my god, I almost sunk into the ground. Oh. Ah! Hi, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Let's talk about this. Underlay. Get the... No, get the fuck away from me. I'ma leave, leave me alone. Ha, suffer. I'm leaving. I'm smug. Yeah, you lost me, boy. I'm too smug for you. Because you suck at this game, why else? Ooh, found last computer.
Playing a I'm joining.
Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Hey, 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 hey. Bye, brother. Oh, look at that. The exits are open. Then I'm gonna go to the other exit. Boom! I can't believe it. Me and Ninja just snuck right by you, dude. What?
I'm joining.
Okay, you do that. Jump, jump, jump.
Perfect timing.
Yeah, boy. Alright, and I think that's it for this video. If you sat through watching it, like and subscribe, and I will see you all later. Now stop this video.